Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Hoorain Word. Planting time guys. Assalamualaikum guys. Hi guys, my name is Hoorain Musaddiq. Today I will tell you how to make soil mix. Let's do it. Let's do it guys. Okay, First I am adding vermicompost. Worms make this soil. Thank you worms. Soil mixing is so fun. Now I am adding cocopeat and this is too fluffy and so pretty and look like chocolate. Okay. Oh wow, I like this. This is too pretty. I like this. I think I will hug this. Perlite. Now I am adding perlite. It's so cute. Small stones. I sprinkle some white stones. So cute. Perlite. Now I am adding clay balls. See, I am showing you. See now in the video. Wow, it is looking like chocolate chips. Now is mixing time. I like this part. Wow, I am enjoying a lot. Mixing. I am filling the pots. Oh yeah, so fun. I am enjoying a lot. I want to sing a song. Let's sing together. Come. All day pots are ready. Oh yeah, la la. Now I am planting some seeds. Oh yeah, la 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 la. First I am adding coriander seed. We have to dip in the water. Let's do it. I am putting all seeds in the pot. Cover the seeds with soil. When the sprout will come, I'm so excited. I'm too excited. After 5 days, I'm so excited. Let's see. I'm writing the names on ice cream sticks. Hola, Ta-da! Oh, I want to eat ice cream. I really want to eat. This time is too hot. Wow, it's so colorful lettuce. I like it. After 50 days, and see, I say, wow, I like this lettuce. Cover the seed with soil. Oh yeah, Lala. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.